Okay, just a general guide for a little bit of help on how to actually use Teams, just if a few people are not really sure, especially about the handing in of assignments and things, and how to access files. So as you can see, I'm in the third year history group at the moment. I've got that highlighted here, and you can see I'm in the general tab. So the general tab gives you where we are posting work. So you can see Mr. Keir's posted some things. I've posted some things about how you hand the assignments in, which was a Word document and things as well. Okay, so all that information is in there. Now in the general tab, in the files section, you can also see any other things that we've actually put up for you to work on. So we've got the impact of the slave trade with the PowerPoints that you should be working on, and then the task and things that were there. I also put the slave trade textbook up, which you can see there, and you could access this if you wanted to do any of the questions or activities in there at the moment. And I also put routes up so you can see those if you wanted to watch those in your own time as well. If you go to the More section, if you're on a mobile device or on a tablet, it will give you a couple of other things, and in particular there's the Assignments tab, where you can see all of the assignments that have been given to you. So at the moment the impact checkup is in there, and you can access it this way through going into that section, or if I just go back into the main post, you can see that when an assignment is posted it comes up in the general sort of thread, and you can click on it and then you can click view assignment there and it takes you to the assignment as well. So this tells you what you're kind of having to do, and it gives you your information and things, so you can open it, and this is the actual test itself that you can actually use. You can open that and work through it, and then what you can do to hand it in is a couple of things. If you see the little arrow at the bottom here that says, little plus sign that says add work, you can click that and it'll give you an option if you have done it on your computer or on your tablet or on your phone in a Word document and you saved it someplace there, that you can upload it, so you can find it from there. Another thing that you can do is you could add new file, which we've highlighted there, and you could select a Word document and name it, and then you could actually do it on the Word document itself. You could put a link to something if it's maybe done on like a Google Doc or something, for example, and you could put the link in on that. Or if you have done it in your Jotter and you wanted to add a photo of your work, you could click this little bit down at the bottom here which just says upload from device, and you could select wherever the photo was that you were looking for, and once you've picked it you would then just click whatever it might be and you would click attach, which you can see there, and this would add it to the work. Once you've done that, you have to click the little hand in icon at the top right hand side of the screen. You just click that and then you should get some sort of notification. In that case it was a wee rocket to say that it had been handed in, and that means that it's registered that you have finished this particular piece of work. If you are asking questions or you're having difficulty uploading any particular piece of work in general like this, you can either email them to your teachers or you can put them into your particular class. So if you're in Mr. Keir's class, you would go into Mr. Keir's thread, into Mr. Smith's class the same thing, or into my class the same thing, and you would just post it there rather than posting it in the general channel. As always, if there's any questions, let us know and we'll do what we can to help.